Can you use your fingernails as an instrument? What about using this mic as a kick? Hey, I'm Adrian from adrianmilea.com, and today I'm going to produce a song using only my hands, my mouth, and of course this mic. So let's get to it. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Okay, time out. Let's tune the tracks, let's mix them, and then let's master the track. It's done. If you want to learn more about audio production, go to adrianmilea.com and check out my courses. If you like this kind of videos, subscribe, like, and I'll create some more. If you're interested in how I mixed and mastered this song, comment below and I'll create another video while I show you everything I did. Now I'm gonna see you in another video.